Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can find our phone contacts in your Gmail account. So I will show the perfect process. This process same for your window users and mobile users. You can follow the same process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on the browser. Just log in with your account. Okay, and your Google account, and you can search for contacts, Google contacts. Here you can see this link, just open it. Here under the contacts you can see the all your contacts. Okay, so I don't have any contacts in my account, so it's you can't see here. You can also see other accounts, other contacts like email ID and all. Okay, so your main phone contacts you can see here. This is a list. Okay, and you can also switch between the accounts. If you have multiple accounts, log in with your phone or your browser, you need to just click on this icon and you need to select the another account from here. Okay, so I have only one account here, so I can't switch it, but you can see the all list which we have already log in with your account, which we have account in your phone or window. Just click on it and switch your account. Okay, you can see your current account here after switch. Then you can also check the contacts of this account. So you need, if you have multiple accounts in your account on your mobile phone or window, then you can switch one by one and see every accounts or Gmail accounts contacts numbers list here. You can export that list. You can import the contacts from outside. If you want to import the contacts in this particular account, you can import from here. And if you want to export the existing your contacts list, you can export also. You can see the all export option when you select the contacts. Okay, so that is the way. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.